And more than a few minutes on the ball, especially above midfield. Lovely nutmeg from Schenfeld. An even better switch that finds Anderson. Anderson with space to shoot, and it takes a deflection and goes in! Hayden Anderson, has for Mason Turnbridge coming into tonight. He earned the spot kick and he will be the one to take it. Against James Sneddon. Turnbridge from 12 yards, buries it! Sneaks it underneath the... Jimenez, lovely ball played in. And that is surely going to be a penalty, it is. A chance to level this one from 12 yards. And the yellow card does come out. It's played forward for Garnett. And now one back by Soiferrit. Terzaghi. Emiliano Terzaghi turning 20 yards away, will have a go, and pack equal to it. Diagonal passes that can release players in behind. Espinal making the run. Espinal to the byline, cutting it back for the wide open shot, and it's 2-1. Chandler O'Dwyer. 2 appearances, 20 of them in the first 11. Played the last one to the near post. Players queuing up this time at the back post though. It is delivered toward the back post and turned in! The skipper gets on the score sheet. As we enter the first of 3 minutes of additional time in this first half. Now Turnbridge the other way, with pace and with Reid Stephen to his right. Back for Turnbridge, 3-2! Mason Turnbridge at the double, and empty. Now is that a foul against Nyanja? It is! And a yellow card as well to Dakota Barnathan. Reid Stephen settled and volleyed over by Nyanja. For Terzaghi, Espinal making the run in behind, keeping his head up, looking for help. Finding Soiferrit into the box. Still with Soiferrit!